Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Topical Talks for a new tutorial video. And in this video, we will learn how to get the old cursor in Roblox. Firstly, we have to go to the search panel and type Roblox player. After that, open file location. Then right click on the shortcut and click on open file location again. Now go to content, textures. From here, you have to scroll down until you go to the images section. From here, you'll copy the arrow cursor and arrow far cursor. So select, then right click, and now copy. Now go to the cursors menu, then keyboard and mouse. Now paste it in here. These are the old cursors. And now, if you go to Roblox player, you'll see that the cursor has been changed to the black one. And now if you go to any game, you can see the other cursor, which is the white one. So let's just get into the game first. Now you can see the old white cursor back. And that's how you can get the old cursor back in Roblox. Thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.